Welcome to the SPARC Portal walkthrough. To access the SPARC Portal, open any web browser, type in sparc.science in the address bar, and press Enter. SPARC is an open repository hosting anatomical and computational models, multi-species data on physiology and the peripheral nervous system. The SPARC Portal homepage features data, resources, news, and events. What can I do with SPARC? In the pursuit of fair data, the portal allows you to freely use curated experimental data, protocols, and models of the autonomic nervous system. Click here to find data on SPARC. To search for a dataset, use the search bar. There is also a sidebar which will allow you to filter data. You can also filter datasets directly from the homepage. Click on the dataset of interest to access dataset details. A datasets page will display relevant info such as contributors and related projects. Data and models are professionally curated. These pages feature summary information about the study methods of collection and subjects. Within the dataset page, you will have access to information like citation details, references, a gallery of images, and more. You can also download datasets or individual files in the Files tab. The SPARC Portal will allow you to visualize metadata and the files from datasets in a graphical viewer. To do this, click the Explore in SDS Viewer button from a dataset page. From here, you will be able to visualize and explore the data in an intuitive way. The SPARC Portal also features various models. To view a model, navigate to the relevant Model tab on the Data and Models page. This is a computational model. Click the View Simulation button to run a simulation of the model being presented. Computational models can also be compatible with OSPARC. To request an OSPARC account, send an email to support@osparc.io. Another type of model found on the SPARC Portal is an anatomical model. Anatomical models give you the option to view and interact with a scaffold directly on the portal. Click View Scaffold to do this. The scaffold will load in the Maps section of the SPARC Portal. Explore the SPARC Portal's powerful mapping features. Access both flat and immersive 3D maps of relevant data. Select a map type to launch the viewer and interact directly with the display. Use filters, the sidebar for alternate dataset access, and context cards for detailed information. The SPARC Portal is home to many tools and resources. Click the Tools and Resources tab to see what the SPARC Portal has to offer. From here, you can browse the different tools and resources offered. A search bar and filtering options are available. To share your data with SPARC, navigate to the Submit to SPARC tab. Here you can review the data submission process. From this page, click the Dataset Submission Request button. Here you can submit data, feedback, and more with SPARC. The SPARC Portal features consortia right on the homepage. Within the consortia section, you'll find collaborative efforts such as the SPARC program and the NIH Precision Human Pain Network. A key feature here is the transparency of data. All datasets contributed by each group are easily accessible and viewable on their dedicated project pages. Discover upcoming events and explore the latest news related to the SPARC project by clicking on the News and Events tab. Here, you will see featured news, events, and spotlights on the SPARC community. Similar to other sections, you have the option to search and filter news and events to find exactly what you are looking for. Have more questions about SPARC? To access the SPARC Help Center, click Help on the top right of the portal. Here, you can read documentation on how to use the portal. Tutorials, update logs, and more can be found here. Additional information on SPARC can be found on the About page of the portal. Thank you for your interest in the SPARC Portal. We hope you take advantage of this extensive resource. To stay up to date with SPARC, sign up for our newsletter on the portal and follow sparc.science on social media.